Hi, so in today's video we are going to show you how you can KonMari fold your bralettes, mini tank tops, whatever you call them, in order to see what you have in your drawer. You can have it the one way where you can see how many straps there are. So instead of having them all over and messed up, you can see which ones are which and easily grab what you need when you need it without making a mess. As well as if you changed your mind, you could just put them back nice and easily, instead of having this sort of mess going on everywhere. So whether you are the yoga guru, the runner, jogger, or if you're someone like me who just wears them underneath their see-through tank top so you don't see what's underneath, Marie Kondo's KonMari folding will work for you. Okay, so first we just have a regular tank top. And you can do it facing you, or if you have a design on the front, you could have it facing away from you. And I think I like this better with the design away anyways, or the front down, because it kind of just helps it have more of a decently squared, and don't forget smooth, like Marie Kondo says. And then we have two past the middle, so I mean this is a sports, there we go, it's a sports tank top kind of under. And then you're just going to do the last one just a little bit right to it, but not over, so that it can stand on its own and it'll hold its shape and be obvious which one it is in the drawer. Okay, so they look very similar. So I'm going to do this one first to make it easiest. Folding the straps in, smoothing it, getting rid of all those little wrinkles. This is two ways. So this one, first one, I'm going to fold it over. And I'm going to fold it past the middle. So into three. And then not quite to the over it, just to it. And it kind of, it works. But beside that one, you're not going to tell which one is which. So the second option would be just the straps down, holding the shape, and then into thirds. Don't quite go over. Make sure you leave a little room so that it has space. And then 1, 2, so that when you look at it, you will see that my folding isn't perfect, but you can see quickly when you look at it, when you're holding onto them, or you're looking in the drawer, you can quickly see that this has the V-neck. There. So you kind of got to give it a little bit of extra work because it technically isn't how we would normally fold it, but we want to see that detail. So it's really not getting any support here from the garment, so you kind of want to flatten this so that it'll stand up on its own. So this one here, it would be nice to be able to tell at a glance when they're in the drawer that this one has this detail. So we're going to put it facing me, smooth it all out nicely, tucking in our straps and not letting them be all wonky, weird. I'm going to tighten these up. Fold it into thirds, with this being our nice line. And then once more, so that when we stand it up on its own, it actually does it. And we can see from this angle which one it is, or this angle which one it is. That we have a V-neck one, and we have one that has straps. Now the other option is having one very similar, right, to what we just had. See the straps and everything? Fold these up this way. Make sure they are as tight as they're going to be so that they're not loose later. Folding it once. This way. You could fold it in half, but it'll be too floppy and won't stay. So that's a problem. I could fold it this way and then fold it this way. That would make it stay upright. It would show off the fact that I have 3 straps. Looks a little messy on this side. This side looks nice. And it is a little bit smaller in width, but not much in height. So if you had, if you were struggling for width space, this works just as well. So you can find what you want when you need it, knowing exactly what you have at first glance. Please like, share, and if you're interested in seeing more or finding this channel back for more KonMari folding, hit the subscribe button. And enjoy your warm weather.